Welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel. A farming and outdoor channel that I started in 2012 that now has over 1,600 videos and thanks to you has over 180,000 subscribers with 100+ million total views and over 12 million hours of total watch time. I am filming and uploading new content all the time, so come along for the ride. In this video, I am out with a farmer in the Bluffton, Indiana area as he is all done with harvest in his tillage and putting in some waterways in some of his fields using his John Deere 8RX 410 tractor pulling a Liebrecht Ditcher. This is all being done with GPS precision here. He is following a contour here in a lower spot of the field, building a surface drain waterway with this machine. What this will do is if he gets a heavy rain in this field, the water will run to this spot and then it can work its way over to the road drainage ditch. This machine is built by Liebrecht Manufacturing out of Continental, Ohio. They build these ditching machines you see here. They also build tile plows and some other equipment. This machine here is capable of moving 10 to 12 yards of dirt per minute. And as you can see here, he's made a few passes, so it'll take a few passes to get everything done that he wants to, and then this area will likely be seeded down into grass. In this video, I got several different drone shots, some on-the-ground shots, even got to ride in the cab a little bit. So after you watch this video, you should get a pretty good idea how this all works. I also did a video back in September with this farm as they was plowing in some field drainage tile with their John Deere 9RX 770 tractor and Liebrecht tile plow. If you've not seen that video, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one. And as he comes to the end here, he raises the machine up. You can see there's a lot of different ways to control this to get the angle and the contour, everything you want here in this machine. For more information on a ditching machine you see here, you can go to Liebrecht's website at farmdrainage.com. That's going to do it for this video in no particular order. Feel free to go down there and click on that like button, leave a comment, and if you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also check back often. I'm always filming, editing, and uploading new content to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.